Many people nowadays earn significant amounts of money while spending the majority of their time at home. These people are all making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month with only 5 minutes of work per day. If you want to make money online with YouTube but don't want to show your face, this is the ideal strategy for you. Anyone from anywhere in the world can do this with just their mobile phone. No video editing is required, and as previously stated, no showing your face is required either. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Okay, so today I'm going to show you an excellent method for making a lot of money on YouTube. Not only will I show you multiple examples of people doing this and making a lot of money, but I'll also show you how you can do the same thing. Generally, what these people are doing is smashing various items with their car. And the main reason you'd want to do the same is that making a video like this is ridiculously easy to do. There's no thumbnail editing, no video. They simply bring a camera and film themselves smashing anything with their car, then upload it straight to YouTube. How simple is that? Furthermore, as I will show you shortly, these guys are all making hundreds of thousands of dollars every month. But first, let me answer a question that most of you will be asking. Who in the world would watch these types of videos? Well, believe it or not, I am one of those people who enjoy watching these types of videos as a stress reliever. Many people watch these videos because they are strangely satisfying and enjoyable. In fact, the numbers that some of these channels receive are absurdly high. With that said, there is something that even these people are unaware of, a method that I will demonstrate to you later. Now, here's the first channel I wanted to show you today. It's called Hello Maffy. And when you go to this person's channel, it doesn't take long before you see the types of videos I was talking about. As you can see, all of these videos have gone thousands of views at the very least, so those are some pretty good numbers already. But they're nowhere near the massive numbers this channel has ever received. As you can see, the most popular video on this channel has over 1 billion views, and it's of course a video of them running over something with their car. This shows how much absurd potential this has to get you paid, as well as indicating that there is an audience for these type of videos, even if it appears at first glance that no one would watch something like that. Now let me show you what these videos are made of, because as you can see, they are very simple to make. As you can see, there is no intro at all, and as the video progresses, you'll only see short clips that are no longer than 10 to 20 seconds, being merged into one video compilation that is 5 minutes long. To cut a long tail short, producing these films is simple. They simply compile a bunch of stuff being run over by a car. You can shoot this with a phone when you first start out. Later on, I would recommend acquiring a camera. As promised in the video, you don't need any expensive equipment or talents right now. Take a look at this. The total number of views on the channel is close to 2 billion, which is insane. The CPM for the types of videos that the owner is uploading is around $5 per 1,000 views. So if you do the math, that's roughly $10 million in total made from simply crushing items with their car. Generating such videos may not appear to be useful at first glance, but it most certainly is, and you may earn thousands of dollars doing so. However, you are far from the only person making a lot of money by crushing stuff with their automobile. This YouTube channel, Life Hacks and Experiments, is doing the same thing. I opened one video just to show and prove that all of the videos are the same. As you can see, there is no special video editing, no intro or outro, just short clip compilations that are combined for a longer video. Another similarity with the previous channel is that the most popular videos from this channel have had hundreds of millions of views, demonstrating once again how much potential this channel has. If we go to socialblade.com, we can see that the owner of this channel makes a nice amount of money every month up to this amount. This is due to the fact that the owner uploads videos on a fairly regular basis. which keeps the views at a reasonable level, resulting in more money generated. The wildest part, however, is yet to come. According to Social Blade, the channel has received this amount of views, and as you can see, these videos have a lot of promise. Let me now show you how to make these kinds of videos on a regular basis. The first step would be to consider what items crushing with your car would generate a lot of views. And here's a pro tip to help you get a lot of views. Do some research and see what's getting popular right now. Simply type that into Google and you'll be able to come up with ideas for your soon-to-be video. And in this way, by recording and uploading videos that people are more likely to check you out, you'll stand a much greater chance for your YouTube clip to go incredibly popular. For example, fidget spinners were popular a few years ago. And if you had recorded a video of yourself crushing them in your car at the time, there's a good chance you would have gotten a large audience. In the end, research is crucial, and it's often overlooked when it comes to video uploading. You could actually do very well for yourself on YouTube by conducting thorough research. The actual recording of the video would be the next stage, and as previously indicated, you can easily start with your phone and then upgrade to a camera once your channel has gotten interest. For generating a compilation from your short clips, I really recommend Clidio.com. You may use this entirely free application to combine a number of short clips into a single video. To do so, simply go to this page and click on Video Maker. Then select the clips from your computer. And that's all there is to it. Because there isn't much video editing involved, you won't need something as complicated as Sony Vegas. With that said, let me leave you with one final tip. Be persistent. If you aren't persistent and don't upload regularly, you will never get views. To get your channel started, you must upload at least once a week. After that, you can only upload one video per month and that will suffice.